never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
मैथ ही कर रहा है यार.
No I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so instinctive. I got a vendetta against
गाइस अभी यहाँ ट्रक खाली करने आए हैं गाइस. नंबर का सारा मटेरियल गिरने आया गाइस यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे गिर रहे हैं गाइस. गाइस अभी इसको खाली करना है. अपने यार दोस्त का ट्रक है यहाँ पे खाली करना है गाइस. ठीक है गाइस.
1 hour later.
खाली हो रहा है गाइस.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honesty. That's what you're telling me. Play it, man. Mind games, but instead of six, something not illogical, something that is technical. Rub it on the thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off the low and I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I never set for ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been through that, I never got anyone's help. I do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो ना?